Hey you guys, this is Sid God's Wisdom coming on for my review of the Golden Universal Tarot. It's a take on the traditional tarot by Rider-Waite, but it has a lot of golden accents to it. And I like it. This deck spoke to me when I was working at the crystal shop a couple months ago. It's beautiful, nice back. Now these are thin. See the feel? It's thin. Make sure y'all can see it. It's thin, you know. So this, I'm feeling, doesn't like have a long lifespan, especially if you use tarot a lot. See the gold accents, like when the light hits it, it's very, very pretty. Very pretty. I love it. Love the gold accents. See how the light hits it. It's very beautiful. Another one of my favorite decks. I just love the way when I read how the cards they slide out so easily from spirit. I just, like I say, just a quick review of the Golden Universal Tarot. Just show you some cards. That's Five of Pentacles. This the Wheel of Fortune, 10 card, Jupiter card. This is the Cancer card. 7 Chariot card. Beautiful. This is the Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. This is the Ace of Swords. Very beautiful. Look at the accents. Very pretty. Okay, this is the Two of Cups. Deep connection. Okay. Five of Cups. A lot of people returned them to the store thinking they were messed up, but I'm looking for my deck. I think it was meant like that from the creator, because a lot of cards have them. Like a scrape of white in the middle of the gold. So I didn't take it personal. Like, I'm not that big on like the details of the material things. As long as the cards feel right in my hands and doing what it has to do and are decent enough, you know, I'm gonna work with it. I love talking to spirit, so you can see the goal. And then I guess I'm only gonna show a couple cards. I'm not doing to see how the white like scratched in all of them in there, so you can see it's beautiful. The gold, it's all around the card. Okay, this is Two of Wands. Okay, the gold, so you can see. Okay, and I'm gonna pull some. I'm gonna shuffle them for you so y'all can, you know, get a feel through the video, because a lot of my empaths and psychics out there can feel the cards through the video. That's when you know you have real psychic energy, psychic power, and it's a real empath. They can truly feel through the videos. Okay. Remember, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel, share the channel, show me some love. Remember, what you put on the universe comes back to you. Okay. This is how they shuffle. Remember, they're kind of thin. It's a nice thickness to them together. Okay, let's see. Spirit, show me one card. Show me one card. Spirit for the people, the collective. What you want to say to the people, Spirit? Oh, alright, there we go. Like I say. Oh, King of Cups. King. Okay. what's behind, what's crowning the Seven of Cups. Cups, their relationship. So this person has a relationship with a lot of things in like the ethers, the spirit realm. They're trying to create. This person is trying to create something. Create their reality, like anchoring their their ideas down into the physical manifestation. A lot of desires, a lot of wants. This card speak about. Kings are people that you really can't see coming, to really can't touch. Authority figures, people making decisions on your behalf. I'm picking up a personal message from these two, but I'm trying not to say it out loud. But for me, but general for the people, this is a person that has their emotions in check. It's very, very serious about their decisions. Very serious about the decisions that they make. This is again the King of Cups. I know cups, the kings deal with water and air. So again, decisions, they're mental. Very, see how he, like, look at the crease in his forehead, like he's focused real strong. A lot of intellect and emotions, run off his intellect and emotions. Interesting. Huh. See his hands, because water is feminine. So his legs crossed in touch with his feminine side. So I'm hearing like a balanced male, a male that's has his emotions in check, a male that is powerful beyond measure. I'm seeing somebody that's a very powerful manifester. A king. There's not a knight. There's not a page. There's not a minor card. This is a king. It's somebody that is very, very important in someone's life, like a fairy godfather. I like to see. I see the kings and queens as fairy godparents. When they come out in somebody's reading, or somebody that's very, very serious or very important in their life, that have their back. But this is my take on the review of the Golden Universal Tarot. Thank y'all for tuning in. Remember, share the video, like, subscribe, comment. Love the feedback. Thank you. Bye-bye.